Welcome students, 6th class mathematics. Students, in the previous period, we were studying exercise 3.5. We have solved 8 questions. Today, come to solve the next questions. Question number 9. In the textbook, the question number 9 is: in which of the following expressions prime factorization has been done? We are given 4 questions. Number A, 24 is equals to 2 into 3 into 4. Question B is 56 is equals to 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Question C is 70 is equals to 2 into 5 into 7. And question number D is 54 is equals to 2 into 3 into 9. In these 4 questions, in which of the following expressions prime factorization has been done? Students, you are given the factorization of 24, 56, 70 and 54. Check one by one carefully. In the question number A, 24 is equals to 2 into 3 into 4. These are the factors of 24. Now, 2 into 3 into 4 is 24, no doubt, but here the factor 2 is prime, 3 is prime, but 4 is not the prime. This is composite number. So, this is not the prime factorization. This is not the prime factorization. Similarly, come to question number B. 7 into 2 into 2 into is 56. Here, all these factors are prime. These are the prime factors. So, 56 is equal to 7 into 2 into 2 into 2 is the prime factorization. And now, come to question number C. In the question number C, 70 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7. 2 5s are 10, 10 into 7 is 70. Here 2, 5 and 7, all these 3 numbers are prime numbers. So, this is the prime factorization. And come to question number D. In the question number D, 54 is equals to 2 into 3 into 9. 2 and 3 are prime numbers, but 9 is not the prime number. 9 is the composite number. So, this is not the prime factorization. Therefore, B is equals to B, 56 is equals to 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. And question number D, no, question number C, 70 is equals to 2 into 5 into 7. These are the prime factorizations. These are the prime factorizations. Next question number 10. Determine if 25,110 is divisible by 45. The given number is 25,110. Whether we need to find whether the given number 25,110 is divisible by 45 or not. Take the given number The given number is 25,110. The given number is 25,110. We need to find whether this number is divisible by 45 or not. We need to find whether 25,110 is divisible by 45. So, now 45 has the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Check the given number 25,110 whether it is divisible by 5 and 9. 25,110 is divisible by 5 completely because the given number is ending with 0. Any number which is ending with 0, it is completely divisible by 5 because it is the rule of divisibility test by 5. And similarly, to check the given number whether this is divisible by 9 or not, take the sum of all digits of the given number 25,110, 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. The sum of all the digits in this number 2 plus 5 is 7, 8, 9 plus 0 is 9. Sum of all the digits in the given number is 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore, the given number 25,110 is divisible by both 5 and 9. 45 is divisible by both 5 and 9 because 5 and 9 are the factors of 45. If a number is divisible by two numbers, then the same number will be divisible by the product of those two numbers. Now 25,110 is divisible by both 5 and 9. Therefore, the number 25,110 must be divisible by product of 5 and 9. 45 is divisible by both 5 and 9 because 5 and 9 are the factors of 45. Therefore, now 25,110 is divisible by 5 and 9 because by divisibility test of 5 and 9. Therefore, 25,110 is divisible by 45 because 5 into 9 is equals to 45. Already you have studied the divisibility rule. Some more rules of divisibility. If a number is divisible by any two numbers, then the same number will be divisible by the product of those two numbers. Now 25,110 is divisible by 5 and 9. 25,110 is divisible by 5 and 9 because by using the divisibility test this number is having 0 in the last place, hence this number is divisible by 5. Any number ending with 0 divisible by 5 and sum of all the digits in the given number is divisible by 9. Now by using the divisibility rules of 5 and 9 the given number 25,110 is divisible by 5 and 9. When this number is divisible by 5 and 9, 5 into 9 is 45. Therefore, the same number 25,110 must be divisible by 45. Therefore, 25,110 is divisible by 45. Because 5 into 9 is equals to 45. Next question. Question number 11. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. It is also divisible by 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can we say that the number must also be divisible by 4 into 6 is equal to 24? If not, give an example to justify your answer. Question number 11. The question says that 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. It is also divisible by 2 into 3, that is equals to 6. Similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can we say that the number must also be divisible by 4 into 6 is equals to 24? If not, give an example to justify your answer. Students, look the question. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3 because 2 and 3 are the factors of 18. Similarly, the number 18 must be divisible by 2 into 3, 6 because a number which is divisible by two different numbers, then the same number will be divisible by the product of those two numbers. Product of 2 and 3 is 6. Therefore, 18 must be divisible by 6. Similarly, students, our question is, if a number is divisible by both 4 and 6, any number which is divisible by both 4 and 6, whether it is divisible by product of 4 and 6 or not. Yes, the number which is divisible by both 4 and 6, it is always divisible by the product of 4 and 6. Product of 4 and 6 is 24. Therefore, the number must be divisible by the product of 4 and 6, it is 24. No doubt, we can say that a number which is divisible by 4 and 6, thus that number, we can say that that number will be divisible by product of 4 and 6. Therefore, answer, any number divisible by 4 and 6 it is divisible by the product of any number divisible by 4 and 6, then we can say that that number will be divisible by product of 4 and 6, that is 4 into 6 is equals to 24. Next, question number 12. Question number 12. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? The question tells, I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. The smallest 4 different prime factors are the smallest 4 different prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Therefore, product of 4 different smallest prime numbers is equals to 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, that is equals to 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 into 7 210. So the number is 210. Therefore, the number is 210. 210 is the smallest number which is the product of smallest 4 different prime numbers. Therefore, the number 210 is the smallest number which is the product of which is the product of four different smallest prime numbers. Smallest prime numbers. Okay, students. Now, exercise 3.5 is over. In the next period, we will study the highest common factors, that is HCF.